Hello everyone. In the last class we have done few questions based on pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, so we are continuing exercise 4.1. Your question is, Neha went to a shop to purchase some pants and skirt. When her friend asked her how many of each she had bought, she answered, the number of skirts are 2, less than twice the number of pants purchased, and the number of skirts is 4, less than 4 times the number of pants purchased. Okay, so here what you have to do first, you have to make the equations. Okay, you have to make the equations. So for this, what you will do first, let the number of bands is equals to x. Okay, and number of skirts is equals to y, because we are talking about skirts and pants in the question, right? So let the number of pants is equals to x and let the number of skirts is equals to y. So what she said when her friend asked, she said the number of skirts are 2, less than twice the number of pants purchased. Okay, it means here how many skirts they are having, y is equals to, your first equation is the number of skirts are 2, less than twice the number of pants purchased. So twice means 2 into x, right? And how many pants they purchased? They purchased 2 pants, right? So here 2x minus 2. Okay, so in the question what they're saying, the number of skirts are 2, less than twice the number of pants purchased. It means 2x minus 2. And the number of skirts is 4, less than 4 times the number of pants purchased. It means y is equals to 4x minus 4. This is the only trick. This is the only main important part of the question. After doing this, you have to draw the graphs and you have to find out whether the lines are intersecting or not. Okay, so y is equals to 2x minus 2. So here how will be the equation? I am sending plus y that side. So 2x minus y plus 2. 2x minus y is equals to what? Plus 2 I am sending that side, it will become minus 2. Minus 2 I am sending that side, it will become plus 2. Here also 4x plus y minus 4 I am sending that side, it will become plus 4. So these are nothing but two equations which we need to solve the equation. Okay, to solve the question. So first we'll draw the graph first for 4x minus 4 and then 2x minus 2, right? So here let us write the equation. Y is equals to 4x minus 4. Let us take some values of x and y. Okay, this is x, this is y, and this is x comma y. Okay, if I am taking x as 0, what is the value of y then? Y is equals to 4 into 0 minus 4. So here 4 into 0 is 0. So y is equals to what? Y is equals to what? Minus 4. If I am taking x as 1, what happened? Y is equals to 4 into 1 minus 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 how much? 0. So this will become 0, right? So our points are 0 comma minus 4, 1 comma 0. Okay, for this equation. For the another equation 2x minus 2. So for another equation y is equals to 2x minus 2, if I am assuming x as 2 and 1, 0. So 2 means 2 2s are 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 into 0, 0. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Y is 2 and minus 2. So 2 comma 2 and 0 comma minus 2. Now let us draw a graph for this. Let us draw a graph for this. 0 comma minus 4. So 0 and minus 4. So here we have to point 1 comma 0. So here you have to point, right, and you have to draw a straight line. Okay, this is one line. And next 2 comma 2 means here 2, right? And also 0 comma minus 2, 0 on x and minus 2 on y here, right? So if we join them, look, they are intersecting. So these lines are nothing but intersecting lines. So x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 0 is the required solution of the pair of the linear equation, because both are intersecting at 1. So therefore the pants is nothing but how many number of pants? Pants is 1. She did not buy any skirt. Okay, This is nothing but the solution which we are getting from the graph. Okay, because on x we are getting 1, on y we are getting it as 0. Okay, so therefore number of pants is how much? 1. Question is, 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50 rupees, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost 46. Find the cost of one pencil and that of one pen. Okay, so here first let the cost of each pencil be. What is question number 5? So let the cost of each pencil be, cost of pencil is equals to x. Okay, next, cost of pen is equals to y. Okay, right, cost of pencil is equals to x and cost of pen is equals to y. Okay, so from the question, so from the question, 5 pencil and 7 pens together cost 50 rupees. It means 5x plus 7 is equals to what? 50. 7y, sorry. And then 7 pencils and 5 pens means 7x plus 5y is equals to how much? 46. We have to find out the value of x and y. Okay, we need to find value of x and y. This we can solve by any method, not only with graphical method. You can just substitute, we can use the substitution method also. Let us use substitution method here. So what we'll do first, we will take a value of either x or y from any one equation first. So what I'm taking equation number 1. This is 2. So from 1, what I'm doing is 5x plus 7y is equals to 50. So 5x is equals to 50 minus 7y. I am sending y that side. And x is equals to 50 minus 7y by 5. This 5 I am sending that side. So this x value I am going to substitute in equation number 2. So 7, 50 minus 7y divided by 5 plus 5y is equals to 46. Okay, 5 sevens are 35, right? So 350 minus 7 sevens are 49 y by 5 plus, as I am taking 5 as LCM, so 5 5 is a 25y is equals to 46. Okay, so here 350, 49 plus 25 minus 49 plus 25, how much? 49, 25, 9 minus 5, 4. 4 minus 2 is how much? 2. So 24 minus 24 is equals to 24y is equals to 46 into 5, how much? 5 6 is 30, 5 4 is 20, 20 plus 3, 23. It's nothing but 230. Now minus 2 for 24y is equals to 230 minus 350. Okay, so minus 24y is equals to 230 minus 350. Right, so 230 minus 350 is nothing but 120. So minus 24y is equals to 120. Y is equals to minus 120, sorry, minus 120 by minus 24. 12 ones are 12, 2s are 24, right? 2 ones are 2, 5s are 10. What's the value of y here? 5. Now if I substitute y is equals to 5 in any of the equation, I can get the value of x. So your question, in the question we are having, let us take equation 1. Equation 1 is nothing but 5x plus 7y is equals to 50. 5x plus 7y is equals to 50. So this will become 5x plus 7 into 5 is equals to 50. 5x, 5 sevens are 35. So 50 I am sending that side, will become minus 35. 5x is equals to 15. Right, 5 ones are 5 threes are 15. The value of x is how much? 3, and the value of y is how much? 5. So like this, other than graph also we can solve by using any substitution method or any elimination method. Your next question is question number 6. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36 meters. If the length is 4 meters more than its width, then find the dimension of the garden. So first what we have to do, let the width of the garden, let the width of the garden be x, be x. Okay, then its length is what? length is equals to what? X plus 4, as they have already given in the question. Then half the perimeter of triangular garden is 36 meter if the length is 4 meters more than its width. So length is how much? X plus 4. Half of the perimeter means 1 by 2. Half the perimeter, it means 1 by 2 into, what's the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L plus B, half into 2 into L plus B, 1 2 ones are 2 ones are. So it is nothing but L plus B, right? So in the question already they have given width and length. So here half the perimeter of rectangular garden is what? 36. So it means this is equals to what? 36, right? Now what is length here? Length is X plus 4, and what is breadth? We have already taken it as X. So is equals to 36. X plus X, 2X. 2X is equals to 4 I am sending that side, minus 4. So 2X is equals to 32. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. X is equals to how much? 16, right? We got the answer. If X is equals to 16, then what is the length? Here width is how much? 16. Length is how much? 16 plus 4. That is nothing but 20, right? We got length, we got breadth. Okay. Next, we have to write the main equation as x plus y is equals to 0, right? Now we got the value of x and we got the value of length, right? So here what we have to do next? We have to find out the actual length from the graph. We have to draw the graph. We have to find out the dimension of the garden, right? We need to find out the exact dimension of the garden. That's why we have to take the two equation. First, let the breadth be x and length be y. It means that x plus y is equals to 36. Okay, and also we're having one more solution, that the length is equals to x plus 4. It means x plus 4 is equals to y, right? X plus 4 is equals to y, as we have already done in the question, right? So this will become x minus y is equals to plus 4 I am sending, that's it will become minus 2. We are having 1 and we are having equation number 2. Now in this we need to find out the value of x and y. We can go for any graphical method, elimination method or substitution method. In this question let us do elimination method. Okay, elimination means x plus y is equals to 36 and x minus y is equals to minus 4. As already signs are changed, this will be get cancelled. X plus x, 2x, 36 minus 4 is how much? 32. So x is equals to how much? 32 by 2. 2, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So the value of x is what? 16. Okay, right? If x is 16, what is the value of y then? You have to substitute x is in any of the equation. So I am substituting here. What is x here? 16. So 16 minus y is equals to minus 4. So minus y is equals to minus 4, minus 16 I am sending that side, will become plus 16 I am sending that side, will become minus 16. So minus y is equals to 16 minus 4 minus 16 is minus 20. So the value of y is how much? 20. The value of x is how much? 16. So this we need to find in the equation. Okay, its dimension means its length and breadth. Okay, so 16 and 20 is nothing but the length and breadth of the rectangular garden. Okay, so by this I'm stopping the class. Let us we'll continue all the other questions in the next video, inshallah. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.